show you guys all the spring trends and how to style them, because honestly, I spend most of my time looking like this. And this. And honestly, you know, sometimes I can try to look like an Instagram baddie or whatever and like just look all cute and like, you know, walk around my house and take those cute bumps. You know, just let me show you what I look like. See, can I be like an Instagram baddie right there? You know, instead of just being that girl that lays in her bed like this. Okay, we're done with that. Now, you know what? We're gonna take it seriously and we're actually gonna go shopping and pick up a few items, and then we're gonna come right back and we're going to style all the pieces in a lovely fashion montage. Who doesn't love that? Keep watching. So basically, we're gonna check up all the main stores in the mall. I checked out H&M, Zara, Topshop, and a few other stores around in the mall. Right now, straw bags are very in, and I realized between the large bag and the small bag that I personally wanted to get the bigger one, because think about it, you have your cell phone, you may have a bottle of water you want to carry, some lipstick, some makeup. I know I'm not that person who can do it too tiny of a bag unless I'm going out to eat and I don't need a big bag, but for everyday wear, that bag looks great. Hats are in trend also, but that hat I'm going to skip on. Now, a key important thing, as you see, everyone's rocking a belt. Even people are rocking belts without having belt loops, which sometimes I don't understand. But that is actually a good staple piece. You can add a pop of color. You can add a little bit extra of an accessory without it being too much. So we're going to pick up some belts. We're going to look around, see what kind of statement pieces we can put into the outfit without it being too crazy and too extreme. Now when it comes to footwear, what is in trend is some white sneakers, loafers, and a good classic open toe, chunky heel. Now of course I get sidetracked on Now, of course, everyone gets sidetracked on when going shopping, and you start finding things that you're not supposed to be looking at, but you're just like, it's so darn cute. But we'll get to the point of the video in a second. Okay, Gem, so we are back and we are ready to try on our outfits and see what the heck is in store. So first I'm going to start off with a fairly casual outfit. We're going to take a pair of skinny black jeans, I'm pretty sure everyone has, a nice white t-shirt, and then we're going to actually accessorize it with a pop of color. We're going to use a chunky white strappy heel that I got from H&M, and then a lovely cute matching headband that I got from Reedman's. Now if you guys seen, I am pairing it with the straw bag, and it is black so it matches the outfit. You can always go for a light one, but I decided because I have black jeans, I'm going to go with the black bag, and it can go for an everyday casual wear if you're going out for brunch, just going to shop, something not too crazy on your feet. You can go for brunch and have a great day, but it might get a little bit cold. So we're just going to throw on this lovely army green jacket. It has a little bit of distressing on it. I got it from Topshop. And that honestly can spruce up your outfit and add a little bit more color, add a little bit more edge, but also keep you warm when those summer days feel like a little bit of a winter night sometimes. You get what I mean? When they feel really cold and brisk. But at nighttime, usually if you're wearing those heels all day, you're going to want to switch it up, and we're going to put on a pair of white sneakers. And with our white sneakers, we're back to being casual, being comfortable, because who wants to wear heels all day? I used to do that all the time, can't do it anymore. Honestly, you can wear this in daytime or nighttime, but it just keeps you comfortable and keep you casual. And then we're going to switch it up and wear the same white sneakers and white shirt, but we're going to put on a lovely pleated skirt. Now this here, it's just comfortable, it's airy, it's breezy. You can wear it outside, you can wear it to the farmer's market. You can just wear it honestly anywhere, to be honest, but I picture myself in Kensington Market. If you're here in Toronto, you know where that is. But we're gonna style it with the belt, what we got from H&M. It actually turned out to be too big for me. I thought it was gonna fit, so I just had to wrap it around a little bit. But the belt looks so cute with it and adds a little bit of contrast because you don't want everything to match with it. And now we're gonna add a straw bag because that is also in trend. These straw bags are, I missed it last season. This season, I'm here for it. It's a little bit smaller, but it's also really cute and dainty, and it kind of just gives it like a very airy, earthy look. And wearing the t-shirt with it honestly keeps it casual. You could always dress that skirt up, but I'm gonna show you a way that is dressing it casually and making it look just really simple and effortless. This skirt is very versatile. Now we're here with another skirt. I used to not like the high-low skirts, but something about this one makes me feel very sophisticated and grown, and it feels very clean. You can always pair it with a long sleeve shirt, a blouse, but I decided to use a simple crop top and pair it with, again, the brown belt. I'm gonna wrap it a bit differently this time, just to add a little bit of contrast with a pair of nude heels. And basically, it looks like you're dressed up, it looks like you're trying, but you're really not. It's honestly just a simple skirt and a crop top, which you probably would wear anyways. But we're gonna throw on a lovely jean jacket to keep those shoulders a little bit warm or just protect them from the sun. But yes, we're just gonna throw that on and you just look cute, you look effortless, you look like you tried, but you really didn't. And then we're just going to take another accessory and we're going to throw on some shades because those can put together a look. I wasn't sure if I wanted to be smart or have some sunglasses, but I decided let's look a little bit smart, a little educated for this video. You know, who doesn't love a good spectacle? Is that what I'm thinking of? Is that the right word? I hope so. But you know, if you just want to boss it up a little bit, we can just throw a bit of cat eyes on. Now we're going to keep it still girly and cute. We're going to throw on this simple flowy dress and we're going to belt it. We're going to use a nice light pink belt and we're going to pair it off with a nice bag. But instead I decided that was cute and all, but with the belt I wanted to actually pair it up with something that matches it, and I decided to pair it with this cute pink chain purse that I got from Topshop and put my hair up a little bit and add to the look. You can throw on a little sunglasses and just look, you know, look like that bee, look like that bis. You know, you want to take an Instagram photo and look like cute. And now you can either throw in a pair of stilettos or a pair of flats. I threw in a pair of flats just for the sake of the video. If you were walking around every single day going shopping with your friends, those stilettos are not comfortable to wear, so just put on a pair of flats, loafers, or ballerina flats. Those are so in right now. These are kind of in between a loafer and a ballerina flat. And now for the next look, we're gonna put on a two-piece set. Who doesn't love a matching two-piece set? This is from H&M, and so are the shoes. Now we're gonna put a pop of yellow because it's white and bright, but what's brighter than white is yellow. We're gonna throw on that headband again that I got from Reedman's, and we're gonna throw on some simple jewelry. I got a nice ring that I always wear all the time, as well as my earrings, and we're gonna grab this And we're gonna grab the hay bag because honestly, pairing it together just makes it look effortless, it looks cute, it looks simple, and it looks fresh and clean. For this summer, a lot of looks are about looking clean, and well, here you go. Now for this look, it's all about, say you had a work event or you had a dinner date afterwards, but you can look great for the office, but you can also look good for the bar. So we're gonna use our high-waisted jeans from Topshop, and then we're gonna pair it with this lovely blouse that I got from Zara. And then we're gonna throw on some strappy black heels and grab a strappy clutch purse. And then we're gonna grab a clutch purse. And a pair of sunglasses. Sometimes if you don't want to wear sunglasses, it's always cute to wear sunglasses on your head as an accessory. It honestly adds a little bit to the look, and you don't ruin your makeup. That's a tip. It's not protecting your eyes, but it's protecting your makeup. And now for this look here, we're going to throw on a slouchy shirt with the same pants and same heels. And honestly, you can wear that just as an outfit, but we're going to switch it up a little bit and we're going to tie it up and show some shoulders. If you're to throw on a little bit of like bronze makeup and stuff on top of it, ooh, trust me, you will look great. And then we're going to grab that beautiful, beautiful straw black bag and we're going to rock that. Honestly, I am in love with that bag now. Like, I love it. But see, just by switching up your shirt, you have literally another look. This is the third look I use with just simple black jeans and simple heels or shoes. The black jeans you can make a lot of outfits with, so I definitely say that's a staple you should keep in. And so now we're going to switch on to some blue jeans and a simple blouse. There's different ways you can tie your shirt up. You can leave it all the way down, you can tie it up, you can make a knot, or you can just tuck it in. Right now, I'm going to pair it with a pair of loafers. But then I realized, you know what, let's throw some white kicks on because who doesn't want to be fresh? Honestly, white running shoes are the way to go for this season. You need a pair in your closet. If you don't already have one, I don't know what you've been doing. But definitely throw a pair in because honestly, that is an essential to the summer looks. And now lastly, we're using the same jeans and same pants and we have this cute crop top, but we're going to pair it off with a green army jacket that I showed you guys earlier I was wearing. But there you go, you have another effortless look. It's casual, you can go to the mall, you can chill with some friends, you can go to a festival like Rib Fest, Taco Fest. Honestly, there's a lot of food festivals that are coming up and I cannot wait. And then throw a pair of sunglasses on or reading glasses on. You gotta work it out. Does anyone else do that? You try on a bunch of different glasses, see what works best. So I decided to go with my reading glasses and I just felt like this here just was a cute look that is simple, casual, and I can go eat some tacos with. Maybe not because it is a crop top and I love to eat. So gems, that's the end of the styling video. So we're just gonna debrief on exactly what it is that we got and what it is that you should do for your summer trends. So one thing I think you should definitely do is definitely invest in a pair of jeans. I got those ones from Topshop. I like to get them from there because they have the tall section and I am a tall girl and I don't like my ankles to be cold. So getting a pair of black ones and a pair of blue ones, they're completely different on the spectrum when you look at them. So if you were to wear like the same shade of dark blue every single day, it looks like you're wearing the same pair of pants and your outfit may look similar. But when you have a pair of black and you have a pair of blue, there's other ones in between obviously you can get, but you are able to switch up your outfits, switch versatile. Say you're going on a vacation and you couldn't carry like 20 pairs of pants, bring those two. Trust me, no one's gonna know that you wore them like the day before or whatever it is. And also, invest in a good pair of white sneakers. Right now, white sneakers have been in trend for quite a bit. They were in trend last year, but this year they're still the same. It just makes your outfit look clean, it makes it look effortless, and say if you want to wear white sneakers with a dress, wear it with your running shoes, wear it with a skirt, you can, because that's one thing about them is that they are so easy and they go with everything. So get a good pair of white sneakers. Other types of shoes I would say are strappy heels. I would say if you're someone that likes to walk around in your shoes, I would say chunky heels are better, but if you like a little stiletto, a little bit sexiness, then definitely do that. But if you're someone that wants to walk around a lot, wear a chunky heel. As well as loafers. Loafers are in style right now. You can get them in a ballerina type style, or you can get them in a true loafer. Those are the 3 types of shoes I would definitely say to invest or just to get in your wardrobe for this season. Now when it comes to accessories, I would say keep your jewelry simple, keep it minimal. If you're going to wear ginormous hoops, I would say keep your dégagé. Am I saying it right? Please let me know. Keep that bare, and then you can always put on like some glow or something and like a little bit of highlight and, you know, make them pop a little bit. Or when it comes to jewelry and earrings, like I tend to wear these ones a lot because they're very simple, and I usually wear a simple monogram necklace. It's RTL for my brand, but I'm getting it fixed right now, so I haven't been wearing it lately. Or even when it comes to rings, I say rings are very cute. I wear this one a lot. It's actually becoming quite big for me as I'm trying to lose that weight. But yeah, I definitely would wear something with a smaller band. It just looks a lot more put together. It's a lot more neater. Before, there used to be a trend where you would wear large statement jewelry and statement necklaces, but now it's about everything else being the statement and looking a bit more effortless, and not like you're not trying too hard to make a statement. You are the statement. As well as another key accessory that most people have, somewhat, I would say, is our hair. Definitely style your hair different ways. Like for instance, when I styled it in a ponytail, as you see, it made the look a bit different. It changed it up. It cleared off my shoulders. Or when I did my hair the way it is right now and I have it half up, half down, that actually, it did that for the silk here, and it made it a bit more cuter. It made it a bit more friendly and flirty. When I naturally, sometimes a thing I do is put my hair in a bun. I slick it down in the back with the middle part, and I tie it up, and I wear my big hoop earrings, and it looks like I tried. And honestly, that took me like 2 seconds to do, but it is the easiest look, but everyone loves it on me. So yeah, those are some key tips I definitely would say. And then also in your wardrobe, switch up your pieces. Honestly, if you have different 2 jean jackets, a green one and a blue one, like switch them up. You have your skirts or tops, you don't want to wear something fancy, wear a white t-shirt with it. Like switch up the pieces and items you have, because they don't always have to be strictly business, strictly play. You can switch them up and be versatile with it. So I hope you guys liked it, learned a couple tips, try it out when shopping. Let me know down below if I missed any tips for the summer, because I definitely want to get some more things. Oh, I did forget, straw bet. When it comes to purses are everything. Get the straw purse. I loved getting the black. I love the black one a lot. I can fit my phone in it. I can fit everything in it. But I also have the brown one. Those are 2 very signature pieces for this season. They were around last season. If you have them from last season, you were lucky. Also, tiny bags. I think I need tiny bags. For me, I have a hit and miss because I need my phone to fit in it. If it doesn't fit my phone in it, then I don't want it. That is one of my key things. It needs to fit my phone. But honestly, tiny bags are really in trend right now. So you can get a tiny bag. I definitely would not say splurge on a tiny bag just because it's not practical. But tiny bags are really cute. But I get some medium small bags so I can still fit things in them, because I don't need to carry. I hate carrying purses to begin with. So whoever's with me is going to carry it. And I'd rather all my stuff be able to fit in it. But yes, that's the end of the video, guys. So I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, gems. If you guys like this video, go ahead. So many more videos to come. Click right here, watch the next one. It's just like, come on, do yourself a favor, just click the video. Go ahead, click it.